This week, silver has risen in value. We can see that the week has started with this bullish pin bar formed at the resistance level. This was not pretty clear indication for the further rise in value, but the next day, on a Tuesday, the price formed this bullish breakout, where the price was indicating further rise in value, and this is what has happened. The price has reached a higher price levels, but before that we can see the price drop it down, but it has formed this bullish candle. Then we can see the price continue to rise in value on a Thursday, but on a Friday the price returned back down. This was not expected, but Friday is always special because the traders gets out from their trade, so there is high probability that the price will not follow the technical analysis, and this is something that's happened on a Friday, where the price has gone below this support level and it has stopped just in between this resistance and this support level. Weekly time frame shows me bullish candle, so we can see that after the price has formed this bullish breakout, confirmed this week the price did not go further down, but it has started to rise in value, which is a great information. Now, for the monthly, we have only 1 week that has passed, so I will not make any conclusions, but for now the price is staying above very critical level, critical support at 30.59. Let's return to the daily, where we have much more clear information. Now, what you can see, the price is in between this resistance and the support level, so there is a high probability, and I'm expecting that the price will drop in value below that, because we can see that the price tends to reach the first support level, and that first one will be around this area here. So I'm expecting that the price will drop down, but on the 4-hour time frame we can see that first of all 30.87 is the next support that needs to be broken in order to go to the 30.59. On the 4-hour time frame we can see that, so I'm expecting first of all that the price will reach this area of support on the 4-hour time frame, and if it breaks below, we can see that the next support level will be here. So I'm expecting next week the price will try to reach area, this one, going further down, potentially reaching 30.59, but that depends around this area of support. If the price makes a bearish breakout, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to join to receive these notifications with the potential targets. If the price returns back up, we can see that this area of resistance is very important. If the price makes a breakout, we can see where are the next levels. The next levels is 31.77, but we can see first of all the price needs to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which is a daily resistance level, very important one. So for now that's all. If you would like to join this premium analysis to get the daily updates when there is a bullish or bearish breakout, feel free to join. Now, another thing I would like to mention is that there is a giveaway where I give 3 trading accounts with my broker Blueberry Markets, because I am very close to 10,000 subscribers. So if you would like to join this giveaway, feel free to like, subscribe and share this channel, and open a trading account with the broker and open 1 trade to get inside this giveaway participation. Feel free to check more details below in the description and also inside the comment section. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.